Oh, you're a big boy, huh? Mm. Wow. Are you an ostrich? Look at this guy. Wow, you're pretty. You got big feet, huh, Bubba? Careful, man. They can't take. Oh, he wants some food. You want some food, brother? Okay, I can hook you up. Man, I didn't want to put my hand in there. Look at this guy.
Kiwi. Kiwi?
That's a
no.
ostrich.
Oh, ostrich, ostrich.
Look at those big feet.
Yeah, yeah, be careful, this boom,
Oh, I know. That's why I threw it.
very painful.
Good catch.
Yeah, yeah,
Let's
yeah.
go see the buffalo. 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 Look at these big boys. Man. Now that is a buffalo.
Buffalo may eat anything.
The mighty mighty.
Yeah, buffalo may eat anything.
Hello, buffalo.
Yeah, give him the grass.
You want some grass, buffalo?
Grass, we drop the grass.
Goodbye, huh? Okay.
To the
I need the rest for me for lunch. No.
The basket. The basket. Where is the... Oh yeah, baby.